Are you ready to uncover hidden treasures buried beneath your feet? In this exhilarating journey, we'll reveal the best metal detector for beginners that's guaranteed to transform your adventures. Dive into the thrilling world of treasure hunting, where every beep could mean priceless finds waiting to be discovered. Whether you're searching for ancient coins, jewelry, or artifacts, we've meticulously tested and reviewed the top tools to kickstart your exciting quest. With expert tips and real-life stories, you'll learn how to unleash the full potential of your newfound passion. So grab your gear, and let's embark on an extraordinary journey to uncover secrets of the past. Get ready, your adventure starts now. Number 7. Olan Upgraded Metal Detector is the ultimate choice for both beginners and experienced treasure hunters. Featuring an advanced DSP chip and a 10-inch search coil, this detector offers higher accuracy and enhanced sensitivity, making it incredibly efficient in locating metals, coins, and precious relics. With an IP68 waterproof design, you can confidently explore the beach or any watery terrain, while the lightweight and ergonomic construction guarantees comfort during prolonged use. The Olan detector boasts 4 distinct modes, all metal, disc, notch, and pinpoint modes, allowing users to filter their searches effectively and avoid junk. Adjust the stem from 45-inch to 60 to fit all ages comfortably. Plus, Olan provides lifetime support, ensuring a no-risk investment for adventurous spirits. If you're looking for the best metal detector for beginners, Olan is ideal for family fun and outdoor activities, offering exciting possibilities in every hunt. Get ready to uncover hidden treasures with this reliable companion. Number 6. Sunpow Metal Detector for Adults Professional is the ultimate choice for both beginners and experienced treasure hunters alike. With its impressive 12-inch waterproof coil, you can explore sandy beaches and forests without worry. Thanks to its IP68 waterproof rating, the 2x backlit LCD display enhances visibility in low light, making treasure identification easier than ever. Its robust spiral structure and anodized finish ensure long-lasting durability, while the quick lock design allows for swift installation and adjustments. Achieve a remarkable 10-inch detection depth, with 5 versatile detection modes to help you uncover valuable coins and gold nuggets. Plus, its adjustable length from 19-inch to 59 makes it portable and easy to carry. With a lifetime warranty, this metal detector is not only an ideal gift for any occasion, but also guarantees long-term value. Discover the joy of treasure hunting with the Sunpow Metal Detector, recognized as the best metal detector for beginners. Number 5. Minelab Xterra Voyager is the ultimate companion for treasure hunting enthusiasts, making it the best metal detector for beginners. This professional detecting kit comes equipped with high-quality wired headphones and a sturdy backpack to secure your essentials. With its innovative design, the Xterra Voyager features 4 modes for different treasure types and a pinpoint mode for enhanced precision. The large backlit screen makes operation a breeze, allowing you to focus on the thrill of the hunt without getting bogged down by complicated controls. Plus, its lightweight and adjustable design cater to users of all sizes, from adults to children. But what truly sets it apart is its fully waterproof IP68 coil, enabling you to detect treasures up to 3 feet deep, whether at the beach or in streams. Minelab's 35-plus years of expertise ensures you're not just buying a metal detector. You're investing in an exceptional detecting experience. Don't miss your chance to uncover hidden treasures with the Xterra Voyager. Number 4. Garrett AC300 is an exceptional choice for those stepping into the world of metal detecting. Featuring a digital target ID with a numeric scale from 0 to 99, it precisely identifies metal conductivity, making target detection a breeze. The improved iron resolution ensures you can distinguish valuable finds from unwanted iron trash, enhancing your treasure hunting experience. Its electronic pinpointing mode allows for accurate target location without movement, perfect for pinpoint accuracy. With adjustable frequency settings, you can minimize interference in crowded areas, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable detecting experience. Plus, it comes with free accessories, including clear sound easy stow headphones, an ACE environmental cover-up, and a search coil cover, adding great value to your purchase. Suitable for beginners. The Garrett AC300 is undoubtedly one of the best metal detectors on the market, marrying high performance with user-friendly features for a fantastic treasure hunting adventure. Number 3. GreenRex Metal Detector is the ultimate tool for treasure hunting enthusiasts, especially beginners, with its 5 professional detection modes, including all metal, disc, memory mode, jewelry mode, and pinpoint. You'll easily locate coins, relics, and jewelry, all with impressive accuracy up to 7 inches deep. The oversized backlit LCD is 50% larger than standard displays, making it easy to read in any lighting, while the ergonomic design ensures comfort during long searches. This metal detector is adjustable up to 132 centimeters, making it suitable for users of all sizes, and compresses to 62 centimeters for hassle-free travel. With an IP68 waterproof coil, it's perfect for beach or underwater adventures. Though remember, the control box isn't waterproof. Included are premium headphones, a foldable shovel, and a carrying bag for convenience. The GreenRex Metal Detector is not just about treasure hunting. It's about family bonding and adventure, making it the best metal detector for beginners. Get ready to unearth hidden treasures with this reliable and user-friendly device. Number 2. DrTech Metal Detector. Perfect for both beginners and seasoned treasure hunters. This metal detector boasts 5 upgraded modes, including pinpoint mode and memory mode, allowing you to target specific metals with incredible accuracy. The large 3-inch by 2.2-inch LCD display, complete with backlight, ensures you can easily read your findings, even in low-light conditions. Equipped with a powerful 9.8-inch wide search coil, it can locate coins up to 10 underground, making it exceptional for exploring beaches, parks, or historical sites. The adjustable stem accommodates users of varying heights, ensuring comfort for everyone from adults to kids. Plus, with its waterproof design, you're ready for shallow water adventures. This versatile metal detector package includes a premium headset, a heavy-duty digger shovel, and a multi-purpose carrying bag, making it an ideal gift for any occasion. Treat yourself or a loved one to the best metal detector for beginners and start uncovering hidden treasures today. Number 1. Panky has delivered an outstanding product with its metal detectors for adults. Perfect for those new to treasure hunting. This professional gold detector features advanced technology, including a higher accuracy DSP chip for 25% faster detection and sensitivity. With 5 distinct modes, all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, and pinpointer, users can easily customize their experience and focus on valuable targets while ignoring unwanted trash. The intuitive large LCD display, complete with a backlight, ensures that all information is readable from various angles, day or night. Designed ergonomically, it accommodates various user heights and is lightweight at just 2.4 pounds, making it comfortable for prolonged use. Plus, with an IP68 waterproof rating for the search coil, explorers can search in shallow waters without hassle. Included in the kit are essential accessories like a carry bag, steel shovel, high-quality earphones, and 2 9V batteries, making this the best metal detector for beginners. Start your treasure hunting adventure today with Panky and uncover hidden gems. In conclusion, selecting the best metal detector for beginners can significantly enhance your treasure hunting experience. With an array of user-friendly options available, it's essential to choose one that suits your needs and budget. Remember, practice makes perfect. So get out there and start exploring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts on your metal detecting journey. Happy hunting!